Hey, honey.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's just been a long day.
How was your day?
You
Stressful,
know,
I'm guessing.
just work.
Yeah, well, I have something to talk to you about. So, yeah, you can take a seat. So, basically, you know, for the last 3 months, you've been telling me I need to start opening more to you, to your family, and getting to know them better. So, your parents, we haven't really clicked so much. They haven't really been accepting me so much, even the siblings and stuff. It is hard for me to get them really to welcome me in the family.
Honey, I know it's been a long road, but it's okay. I think you guys are getting somewhere.
Yes, we are. We've actually been getting better. We've been getting closer. We've been bonding, and yeah. So basically, yeah, it's not been really easy. You know how my lifestyle is. I came from a terrible family.
Okay,
constant
Nathan,
fighting.
you are rambling. What? Get to the point.
Okay, so basically, you know how a couple weeks ago I bought my first house. It was like the biggest accomplishment of my life.
I know that. I'm happy for you.
Yes,
Trust me.
but what I didn't tell you was that even your family, right? I've been getting to know them better, and your sister, she actually did. She was the one who helped me when I was signing the papers for the house. I know I didn't tell you. I know.
So you went to my sister.
Yes, but
instead of coming to me.
Listen, I don't want to make my problems your problems.
Nathan, I found it so offending that you actually went to my sister. So you don't trust me.
No, I do trust you, but you're not listening to me.
What's the point of me being your woman if you trust Kayla more than me?
Why would I want to? Look, I came from a terrible family.
Okay, stop saying that. I understand. I know that.
And
we've been through it.
You've helped me to get over my whole situation. So you need to understand that I don't want to keep, bombarding with all of these stresses and worries.
Okay,
Some things I just want to handle
me,
them.
Nathan?
So basically, yeah, she's the one who helped me to buy the house. And I know. Look, we're enjoying this house. Are we not enjoying this as a couple?
But you didn't come, so you keep your secrets from me.
No, it's not that.
You never told me that Kayla helped you buy the house. That's the problem here.
It's the first time in my family that someone has ever bought a house like this. You need to understand how big of an accomplishment this was for me and for my family. And we are enjoying this house. You even said you love this place. So listen, right? I know, yes, she helped me with it, and I should have told you. But you need to understand, I don't want to make my problems, all of my problems, your problems, right? Please understand me, please. So what I was trying to say is, you know how, when we just moved in here, we had a housewarming party, right?
Yeah.
You had fun, didn't you? Yes, come on.
Really?
Don't lie.
Nathan, please.
Don't lie. You had fun. That
I
housewarming
did,
party,
okay? Can you just get to the
enjoyed,
point,
we
please,
partied.
babe? I'm tired.
Think about it.
I am really tired.
Listen, think about it. Our families, for the first time, I brought my family, you brought my family, we all just bonded. And it was so fun for all of us, to get to know each other better.
Okay,
my family got to know your family.
I get it.
Yes. So yeah, on that housewarming party, we had fun, there was a lot of alcohol, there was a lot of partying, drinking. And that night, you told me that you had to go for a business meeting.
I have to work.
Yes,
I mean, we have to pay the bills.
But listen, this was the biggest day of my life, and you couldn't be there.
So what was I supposed to do?
It's the biggest day of my life.
How are we gonna get the bills paid if I don't work?
Sacrifice, honey. It's called sacrifice. Do you know how many times I also have to sacrifice for you? It's not easy, but you're not making things easy for me either. So just listen. That night, I really needed you there, and you couldn't be there for me. It was a hard night for me.
I am trying.
And I appreciate all that you're doing for me. But listen, that night was it was this party. Everything was so good. And when you left me, I was like, oh, I really wish we could enjoy this, our new house as a married couple. But basically, what I just wanted to say is, we were all partying, and you know how it is, alcohol, and my mind was in other places, and
where are we going with this?
Okay, so basically when everyone left, everyone left the party, my family went home, your family went home, your sister was just telling me how this is a big accomplishment for us.
I think I've heard enough about Kayla.
I know, but just listen for me, just
really,
for one more second.
I've had enough.
Just for one more second.
Kayla,
one more second. Let me just say what I need to say. Okay, yes, I know I should have told her, to go with the rest of your family, but she just stayed with me and she was just like telling me how everything was like a big accomplishment and we worked so hard to this. And you know, one thing led to another, and
What do you mean? One thing led to another.
we slept with each other, okay? I know it was not a smart thing to do, but you gotta, it was just the heat of the moment, you know. I really...
What did you say?
You heard me right. No, but listen.
Don't touch me.
Listen.
You slept with my sister.
Look, it was the heat of the moment.
You slept with my sister.
I was drunk. Please, just understand where I'm
I
coming
can't
from.
believe.
Just, you gotta understand where I'm coming from. It was the heat of the moment, and
You had nothing. You were nothing.
I know that.
I took you in, and this is how you paid me.
I know that.
This is how you.
I know that. And she's pregnant. Twins.
You know what? I need to go. You broke my heart.